What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and Samsung has some new competition in the very exclusive foldable smartphone segment, as OPPO now has one of their own in the form of the OPPO Find N. Now without any further ado, let's take it out of the box. Lifting up the lid, we first get the Find N itself, which we shall set aside for now. Below that, all we get are the charging brick, some paperwork, SIM ejector tool, and the USB Type-C cable. Now checking out the Find N, it uses the same basic design as the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which uses one larger foldable display on the inside and another smaller display for the cover. This one though is a lot more compact than the Galaxy Fold, with the foldable display at 7.1 inches and the cover display at 5.5 inches. It's still quite thick and will leave you with a bulge in your pocket, though it is still easier to carry than the Galaxy Fold since it's not as tall. All this to say, before we get into the finer details, yes, it's essentially a more compact version of the Galaxy Fold. Now, using the unfolded stance as our point of reference, on the right side we get the power button that also doubles as the fingerprint scanner, on the left, the volume rocker. At the bottom, we get a pair of loudspeakers, the main microphone, the slot for the dual nano SIM tray, and the USB-C port. At the back panel, we get the triple rear camera module that includes a 50 megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor. Those aren't the only cameras though, as we also get one punch-hole selfie camera on the cover screen and another one on the folding screen. Check out these sample shots we were able to take so far. Now taking a closer look at those screens. At the time of the making of this video, we do not have any official specifications. However, based on this app called CPU-Z, the Find N's folding display has a resolution of 1920 by 1792, a 120Hz refresh rate, and since it does fold, we can safely assume that it's an AMOLED panel. On the other hand, the 5.5-inch cover display has a 988 by 1972 resolution, but unfortunately only supports up to 60Hz. And for internals, the Find N is powered by the current flagship king, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. Our unit here comes with 12GB of RAM and a whopping 512GB of internal storage. Since this is a folding phone, the software we have here is clearly a version of OPPO's ColorOS that's optimized for foldables. We get specific features such as a split keyboard, a tiled layout for apps like YouTube, and the ability to take selfies with the rear cameras in tandem with the cover display. For power, the OPPO Find N sports a 4500 mAh battery. The charger included in our box has a maximum output of 33 watts, which should be able to comfortably charge the phone in about an hour. Now, there's a lot more to this phone than meets the eye, especially when we consider that OPPO's R&D department has actually been developing the Find N for 4 years and has seen 6 generations of prototypes. And we're definitely going to be taking this phone for a more extensive testing in the following days, after which we will publish our review per usual. So definitely stay tuned for that. But that wraps it up for this quick unboxing and hands-on with the OPPO Find N. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you'll be seeing future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, I'll see you guys in the next one.